Right now it's at 11. You said it should be 12?
Yeah.
Are you going to put 13?
We'll go up 13, let's see. That's taking a while.
Yeah, that's weird. I did it on my truck tire, and it went up really quick. Not really quick, but...
Okay. All right, do the other front one at 13. It's very crucial on a Ventrac to have the same tire gauges.
Well, it's a high-performance machine, dude.
No, I'm serious. I'm serious.
I know, you don't want to be going fast and tip over, dude.
No, otherwise when you're scraping,
Eric,
one side of the thing is
scraping. I understand. What if you take a corner really fast, man? At 3 miles per hour, what are you going to do?
I hate this guy.
It's a high-performance machine. Dude, you, like that lady said today, dude, you are such a negative person. You can't have fun.
I'm not having fun. I'm just trying to get stuff done.
Yeah, right? Life's not about having fun, dude. Just get it done.
Sometimes you got to work. What's up, you guys? Today we're talking about something that has to do with air, right? Did you know that you could compress air and build pressure and lift things?
What?
Yes, it's some kind of crazy...
Next thing you're going to tell me you can put it in tires.
No.
Yeah, that's a little kind of overboard.
No, you put water in tires.
That's what I thought.
Yeah.
The wintertime is great.
Yeah, but it turns into ice.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, so your car handles better, man, you know?
Yeah.
No, you guys, today we're talking about kind of a long-awaited item, I guess, because a lot of you Milwaukee fans out there were looking for a compressor, an inflator. So this is their inflator, and what is so cool about it, Eric?
Well, it's kind of different. Don't confuse this with a compressor. This is an inflator.
Did I say compressor?
You said they're looking for a compressor. I'm not saying because of what you said. I'm just saying because what's going to happen is
you can't run a tool off it.
Yeah, you're not going to run a tool off it, and you got to realize a compressor, if you're going to fill up a tire, that's going to do it nice, quick, and fast. An inflator is a lot slower because it's compressing as it goes. You know, I like this because it's easy to operate. It's got a big screen. I guess it's LCD, not LCD, is it?
Yeah,
it's a big LCD screen. Wow. Very easy to use. On, you set your target, then you just hit the button, and it will fill it up. Now, again, it's going to take longer to do, like, say, a car tire or something like that, as opposed to a compressor. But this is nice and handy. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It's very lightweight. But I mean, how many times have you grabbed a wheelbarrow to, like, move something? The wheelbarrow tire is always flat, right? Same thing, like maybe you want to fill up your truck tires just a tiny bit. You're not pulling out a big compressor just for that.
Well, what I like too is you're not always, you know, pulling it off gauge, pulling it off gauge. I mean, some gauges they have the thing in there, but it just doesn't seem right. This is like a forgive or what's that? Ron Popeil. Remember? Set and forget it. Set it and forget it.
It is. Yeah.
Ron Popeil. Come on. Showtime, right?
Showtime.
The Ronco Showtime.
No, I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, the Ronco Showtime. You remember? You put a chicken in it.
Oh, that's Showtime. I thought you were talking about the movie channel Showtime.
No, dude. Set it and forget it.
Yeah, those make
all the old
best,
people.
Yeah, the best chicken legs, man.
Yeah, that's what we should be reviewing, man.
We should. Oh, heck yeah.
Sorry, I got really excited there for a second.
I'm hungry now.
Really? We just ate pizza. Chicago
hungry,
style.
Man. It's got, I don't know what they'd be called, the duty cycle. I don't know what it is. You can run it for 10 minutes and you got to let it cool down for 10 minutes. Yeah, that's So, you know, so it's not like you can fill up tire after tire after tire. But again, it's not designed for that. It's your quick fill-ups or something like that. Portable.
And I wonder how long the battery's going to last, you know? I mean, you can put an XC pack on it and get some good runtime. Is it dual hybrid or no?
What do you mean dual hybrid?
Can you plug it in too? For the wall? Okay.
No, I don't think so. No,
well, that's hilarious, man. I don't know why that's so funny.
Oh, dude, don't get so upset,
I'm
man.
not.
Why do you take things so personal, dude?
You're not. You're just making, you know.
But on the back, it's got storage so you can have cord management. You got your different accessories that are right on there, too. So, I don't know. I like it. I think it's something that I use a ton, but I actually use it because my kids have, you know, rafts. They've got all sorts of different things. They're always asking me to fill up the basketball, soccer ball, all sorts of different things. So for that, it's awesome. But I don't care if you put it in your truck box or anything like that, like we were saying before. I mean, how many times do you just need a little bit of air in the tires for a compressor or whatever it is, you know? So Sorry, dude. I did not mean to rip on you, dude.
I'm not ripped. What are you talking about?
Hurt your feelings, dude.
Why are you talking about? I'm not hurt. My feelings aren't hurt.
So what do you got to say? Anything or no? You done?
I like it. I think it's cool. I told you, there's really no negatives to it. Only that I'd like to see it powered by 18 volts. Yeah. I don't know why I keep saying that. You know why? Honestly, here's why.
One battery platform.
Yeah, because I would more adapt to go with the 18 volt platform than the 12 volt. I had that cordless little bandsaw, but I gave it to Jeff for cutting my pipes.
Yeah.
So, and he's been using it, and he loves it. I mean, it's small, you know?
I think on this one, you're right, man. Have a nice slide pack right in here where you can do the 18 volt.
Yeah, and then you can put like a 6 amp hour battery or something, so you're all day running your camping gear or whatever. Inner tubes for boats. I wonder, how high of a PSI will it go up to?
I believe 80.
Well, that's pretty high.
I believe 80.
Well, that's okay. We don't have to, okay.
Let's see. If you hold it down, it goes up by increments of 5. Oh, higher than that. Keeps going up to 1,000, 10,000, 20,000.
120 PSI.
120.
That's pretty crazy. Yeah. That's pretty high. So let's try that on a 10-speed bike tire.
We should.
No way. Have you ever had one of those pop?
Oh, yeah.
It hurts, man.
Yeah. I remember filling up, you leave them out in the sun, and then they'll pop.
You want to do it? Who's going to give me a new tire?
Nobody.
Okay, well, I'm not doing it.
Why not?
Why not?
It was your idea.
Yeah, I know, but I'm not doing it.
Don't give up on your ideas, man. Go with them, dude.
Tools Next. You guys check us out on Instagram. Click subscribe. Don't forget, we're trying to change the channel a little bit. We still got John Miller around. He's going to be the Weekends with Miller kind of thing. We're just trying to make a name of the show. I don't know. I should just shut my mouth. Tools in Action. Check it out. Click like.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.